Hey guys, welcome back to Cop Tool. I'm Rob. We're here at STAFDA 2018. I just stopped by the DeWalt booth where I met my new friend, Bill. Bill has a very special stapler here I see, the electrician cable stapler. Tell me about this thing.
That's it. This particular product, we went out on job sites, and what we tried to do here was to view all kinds of different hand-driven applications, nails, staples, etc. And one of the things that we saw was a lot of folks that do hang Romex cable.
Yeah.
So from the junction box, rope through the house, and then down the stud to the actual receptacle or outlet. This particular tool fastens those staples instead of doing...
They're actually doing it by hand, and they're using a hammer.
They're doing it by hand with a staple. A lot of, when you see these guys, they'll have the bummed up fingers.
Yeah, sure.
Quite honestly, and you know, this particular product, it's at least 2 times faster. It saves the users about 30 minutes per day. And over the course of a month, that's going to really add up for a much more efficient...
It would pay for itself pretty quickly.
Absolutely.
So what makes it special? How does this actually work?
So the particular product, one of the beauties of this thing is it has a proprietary cable guide. So if you
these teeth actually go over top of the cable.
Right over the cable, and it will not fire unless you depress the contact trip. So if you press this on just any material, you can pull the trigger and it's not going to fire.
So
However,
it's actually looking for the cable. The cable's actually what's going to trigger it. Okay.
So when you get over top of the cable and squeeze the trigger, it fires each time with ease. Up to 1,800 staples per charge as well.
Yeah, but how big is the battery in order to get 1,800 staples? The 2 amp hour?
It's a 2 amp hour pack.
And that 1,800 staples.
1,800 staples.
That's
per
amazing.
Charge.
Awesome.
So almost as much as a week's worth of work.
I was going to say, you're not even going to charge this every day. You're going to be charging every few days.
Right.
Oh, well, that's awesome. That's great.
Very good.
Very cool. Awesome. So, now it only takes your DeWalt staples. Tell me what's special about these staples.
Yeah. So the staples themselves, they have a plastic gasket, if you will, that you know affixes right on top of the Romex, and it doesn't pinch the wire. It actually leaves a little bit of breathing room, and it'll do all of the common sizes. So your 14.2, your 14.3, 12.2, all the way down to 10.3. So your larger cable as well. It'll also do your Cat 5, your Cat 3, your telephone
so phone
wire,
cables, that kind of stuff.
all that stuff. So it really is a handy tool for any electrician that's doing any wiring in the house.
Thanks, Bill, so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank
awesome.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Yep.
Guys, we have a bunch more still to come from STAFDA 2018, so stick around.